Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new, watch this. You guys know what. Wait, no.
Like Ike. Share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree. Comment like the meteor's crashing down on you. And ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J. Okay?
Anyway, first before I start this video, I want to say congratulations to TJ Hunt. He just hit 1 million subscribers. If you guys aren't subscribed to his channel, go check out his channel. It's pretty cool. That was probably one of the first channels I subscribed to, and to know that I'm one of those 1 million subscribers is awesome. It's a place I hope to get to one day. So congratulations to you, and go find out what JDM legend he's buying. I know you guys are probably like, what? Check it out. So anyway, now that we got that out of the way, make sure you subscribe to my channel too, like Aaron said, Aaron, because I hope to get there someday, and I can only do it with you guys. Right now, I'm currently in Maryland. Why am I in Maryland? Well, the golden child, Cam, who her mom and her decided to walk around, decided to go walk around, has one of those tournaments, a basketball tournament. So we're here in, I don't even know where I am. I'll tell you in 1 second, because actually one of the other subscribers asked me to. I'm in National Harbor, Maryland, at the Westin. I'm not going to tell you the room number because, I don't want Lisa to freak out. But it's kind of cool. She has a basketball tournament here. It's a national basketball tournament. It's the third time we've been to the Maryland area for one of the national basketball tournaments. But I wanted to show you guys. I dropped Lisa and Cam off, and they got the room, and apparently they upgraded our room. That's what happens when you send your girl in. They can get the upgraded room and things like that. I'm gonna have to punch a dude in the face though for trying, maybe trying to hit it, get with my girl and stuff. But that's okay. I'm gonna hurt you. But check this view out. It's kind of awesome. So you got that Ferris wheel right there, right there. In the background there, the boats, the water. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna definitely go check out the area and things like that. I did also, before I left the house, I did do some filming as far as what did I film? Oh yeah. So anyway, I filmed I did paint the valve cover and things like that. I didn't complete it, but you guys just check this out. Just watch. I'll get back to you guys, and then maybe we'll do some walking around. Hopefully, I think it was, I'm just gonna pull up which subscriber it was, and actually I'm watching the TJ Hunt millionth subscriber video right here. But, gotta support, you guys support me, I'm gonna support him, because it's the circle of life, or something like that. It's the circle of life. Yeah. Okay, so the person who asked me the question was Jonathan Ellis. He must be from the Maryland area because he asked which part of Maryland I'm in. And again, I'm in National Harbor, I think it was. Yeah, National Harbor, Maryland. So, send me another message or check out. I think my Instagram is down in the title of the video, or in the. You know what I'm talking about in the description. So let me know, and maybe we can meet up. I'm here until at least Saturday. I didn't bring the Gen. I had to come in the Ultima because Lisa and Cam, when luggage can't fit in the Genesis Coupe. sorry. So, or anybody else who's in the area, let me know. Maybe I can come out, meet you guys, say thank you personally and things like that, just for being subscribers, or, you know, just watching and supporting me and things like that. All right, guys, so yeah, it's the next day. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about the valve cover and how it's coming out and things like that. I decided to go with red and black like my sneakers, actually my whole outfit, just because I like red and black. The car's red and black, the interior is red and black. You got the calipers on the car red, obviously the rest of the car's black. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'll continue that when I get home. I'm trying to figure out how to get the saying I want on the valve cover. I think it might be a Sharpie and and then clearing over that. So but I wanted to take you guys down to the harbor because there was something that Lisa pointed out last night, and she said it looked like Jesus coming out of the sand. So I just want to show you guys that. Actually, I want to show you guys this other statue because it's kind of funny. Of course, Lisa would find this too. So, and it's actually outside of a restaurant. It's the most hilarious thing you have ever seen in your life. And we got the Peep store right there. We got some nice artwork right here. But what we got, this dude behind me riding a turtle. Yep, riding a Ninja Turtle. Matter of fact, he's riding a 350Z. But it's actually kind of weird. Of course, Lisa would find that. Got this nice like artwork and stuff like that. It's actually kind of cool too, is that screen right there. Last night they were showing the Justice League on it. So, and it's kind of cool. We came out here, watched that, ate lunch up here. Not lunch, dinner and things like that. So, yeah, maybe we should go into this Peep store. I don't know if I can bring the camera in now and see what they got. Let's go on Peeps. Yep.
You want to try some love first?
Oh yeah, definitely. Walk in the Peep store, get some free chocolate. I'm not really a Peeps type of person, but those are good. The tropicals. Kids Peeps. Oh, this shirt's for you guys. Chilling with my peeps. You're my. That was definitely interesting. The Peep store there. I remember back in the day we used to like see how many peeps we could shove in our mouth. That shit was gross. It was nasty. All that sugar, gross. But I'm coming up on the who Lisa thought was Jesus in the sand. It's kind of hilarious, actually. I don't know why. It does kind of look like Jesus though. I do have to admit, it's hot as hell out here. I think I might end this video soon, but let's find out what's in Jesus's mouth. I like his fronts. Sand is gross. Who eats sand?
This is all my school supplies.
Believe it or not, that's like one of the only modified cars that I've seen the whole trip down here. I did see one Genesis Coupe on my way down here, but that was back in New Jersey, I think it was. And that's about it. I mean, I'm sure there are more around here. I know Jonathan was saying there's a whole like Genesis Coupe culture club down here. So Got my YouTube stuff going on.
Oh yeah, you on your business stuff too?
Of course, of course. What about you?
Man, I'm out here ass twice.
Huh?
I'm out here ass. I say that on the jump.
Oh, okay, I'll edit it out later.
I don't want to say it on
No,
the jump.
no, you know.
I'm out here ass twice, big dog, and I'm my fat ass trying to lose weight.
Trust me, I've been there. I'm still like working on it all the time and things like that. So, you know.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Chuck.
Wayne, what kind of work you do?
Me, I work in IT somehow. I have no clue how I got there. My degree's in criminal justice, but somehow I ended up in IT. I just tell people what to do, and then they do it. If you ask me how to fix a computer, I couldn't tell you how to do it.
Cause you the boss. You know
Hey,
why you
that's-
telling them what to do? Cause you the boss.
I like being the boss. I like being the boss.
You better be the boss.
You know. You should check out my channel sometime.
What channel is it?
It's your phone's right there. Wow.
Yeah, I'm going
My bad.
I'm gonna catch you back around.
I ain't gonna see him. I know that because I don't live around here. So, but I just want to see what's around this harbor and things like that. I see some dragon boats and some duck boats. I might want to try to get. I ain't getting on that. Never mind. Last time we was on a boat, it didn't end up well. God, I wish Aaron was here. He would understand that joke. Kids playing around the penis statue. What the hell? That's like ridiculous. Yeah, I'll edit this some point. Somebody already sat on that, so. And just when I gave up hope of finding a car, how should I have? Actually, those are the same wheels I have on my car. Those are the exact same wheels I have on my car, actually. They're backing up the Dunbar truck for me because, you know, I make that money. I make all that money. No, I don't. I'm still broke. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video here for today. We're probably going to leave probably tomorrow anyway. I definitely wanted to meet up with some of the other guys, Jonathan and the other Genesis Coupe guys, but unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be able to. But I think I'm going to make a special trip down here and see if I can bring like Spence, Donnie, Richard, Dion, even Aaron, things like that, bring their cars down and just meet up with them and have a good time. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about the valve cover. When I get back home, obviously I'm going to continue work on the block. The block's pretty much done. I don't even know why I'm saying continue work. Probably just start to put everything together, test fit the turbo, test fit the manifold, all that fun stuff. Make sure I have everything, clock the turbo. So there's more coming, obviously. So you know, we'll get continuing with that. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, support your boy, things like that. Sorry guys, I ended up cutting off for some reason, but anyway, like I was saying, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.